Discover the vibrant city of Amsterdam through family-friendly activities. In this guide, we present the top 5 fun things to do with kids. Plus, learn how the Amsterdam City Card enhances your experience, offering free access to attractions and convenient transportation, making your family trip both enjoyable and affordable. Kick off your family adventure at the Van Gogh Museum. This renowned museum offers interactive exhibits designed specifically for children, allowing them to explore the vibrant life and art of Vincent van Gogh. It's an engaging, educational experience that fosters appreciation for art in a friendly atmosphere. Continue your adventure at NEMO Science Museum, an interactive hub of discovery. Tailored for children, this hands-on museum invites young minds to engage with science through exciting experiments and demonstrations. It cultivates curiosity and creativity, making learning about science an unforgettable and fun experience for the whole family. Explore the enchanting Artis Zoo, where families can marvel at diverse animals and lush gardens. This beautiful sanctuary not only provides entertainment but also offers valuable lessons in wildlife conservation. It's a perfect opportunity for children to connect with nature and develop a deeper understanding of our animal friends. Experience the magic of Amsterdam through a family-friendly canal cruise. These scenic boat tours provide a unique perspective of the city, showcasing its stunning historic architecture and picturesque canals. Suitable for all ages, it's a memorable way for families to appreciate Amsterdam's charm while relaxing together on the water. Conclude your family adventure at Vondelpark, Amsterdam's largest and most vibrant park. It's the ideal spot for picnics, with ample playgrounds for kids and picturesque paths for cycling. Enjoy outdoor performances and cultural events, making it a delightful hub for family bonding and relaxation in a natural setting. Enhance your Amsterdam experience by using the Amsterdam City Card. This convenient card grants families free entry to a multitude of attractions and museums while including essential transportation options. It's a smart, economical way to explore the city, ensuring you make the most of your family adventure. We hope this guide has sparked your excitement for a family trip to Amsterdam. With diverse activities tailored for kids of all ages, you can create lasting memories together. Embrace the adventures that await and enjoy all the fun and enrichment the city has to offer. Thank you for watching. If you found our video helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more family travel guides. We also want to hear from you. Share your favorite activities in Amsterdam in the comments, and join our community of travel enthusiasts.